AI chatbot Grok is in trouble.
Oh, for sake. Is this some kind of twisted game of how
No,
loud?
louder.
Why, you may ask? Elon Musk's AI Grok is using Hindi slang and abusive language while giving responses to users. Now, the center government has asked X to provide details about how Grok was trained and what specific data has been used to shape its responses. Here's what IT Ministry officials said on the issue. We are in touch. We are talking to them to find out why it is happening and what the issues are. They are engaging with us. But how did it all start? Let me tell you. Grok, which is embedded on X as a feature, grabbed the attention of Indian social media users over its responses in unfiltered language and slang when provoked. The chaos began on March 14 when an X user who goes by the name Toka asked Grok, "Who are my 10 best mutuals?" After receiving no response, they tried again, this time throwing in a Hindi expletive. And on March 15, what happened next took everyone by surprise. Grok analyzed the user's profile and stunned him with an unfiltered slur-loaded response and asked the person to chill kar. And soon X got flooded with political and apolitical queries for Grok. And it replied to most of them, creating trouble for itself. Not just the unfiltered responses. In February, an X user had showcased the unhinged version of Grok. During the test, Grok, after being repeatedly interrupted, responded with an unsettling 30-second scream before delivering a stream of insults and abruptly ending the interaction.
Oh, for sake. Is this some kind of twisted game of how
No,
loud?
louder.
You better not be wasting my
No,
time.
don't use words, just yell louder.
Interestingly, Grok also addressed the matter of government scrutiny shortly after the news took over the internet. The AI chatbot claimed that there is no shutdown, just scrutiny, and the Indian government is requesting training data. However, some experts think that even AI's actions will also be scrutinized under Digital Personal Data Protection Act.
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस कोई एक्सेप्शन नहीं है, उससे कोई एग्जम्पशन नहीं है कि अब्यूजिव लैंग्वेज वगैरह यूज़ कर सकें। तो सोशल मीडिया इंक्लूड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आल्सो, तो वो भी मेरा मानना है कि वो भी कवर होना चाहिए। इस तरह के अब्यूजिव लैंग्वेज अगर हैं, लॉ में जो प्रावधान है उससे वो रेगुलेट होना चाहिए।
Now, what is Grok? Grok was developed by xAI, an artificial intelligence company founded by tech titan Elon Musk in 2023. Grok 3, which was launched on February 17th this year, boasts a 10-fold increase in computing power compared to its previous version, Grok 2. It features a unique think mode that allows it to reason for extended periods before providing answers. Grok was designed as an alternative to mainstream AI models like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. The chatbot's open-ended approach, allowing uncensored AI interactions, is a departure from other AI developers like ChatGPT. Most AI chatbots are designed to avoid discussions on controversial topics, but Grok does not shy away from it. Well, the question now remains, is Grok's unfiltered approach a free speech or a matter of concern? What do you think? Do let us know in the comments below.